So ito yung highway ng Danau City, guys. Sa harap po nito ay plaza and makikita mo na yung simbahan. Yan po. Highway lang talaga ito. At ito naman ang kanilang Sands Mall. So pasok tayo, guys, kasi maganda yung view sa labas nito. So punta tayo doon, guys. Dahil sa sobrang init, napagod ang mga gores. Pahinga muna kami dito, guys, bago maglibod-libod. Ito pala, guys, ay isa sa mga mall ng Danau City at overlooking pala dito yung port ng Danau for Camotes Island. So lapitan natin, guys. Masarap magtambay dito, guys, kasi mahangin at napakaganda ng view. At ito na pala yung port ng Danau City for Camotes Island at may barko na bago lang dumating. Yan, guys, oh. And if you're planning to visit Danau City, guys, may mga bus naman sa Robinsons Galleria and SM City Cebu. Travel time estimated at 1.5 to 2 hours. Depende po yun sa traffic. Danau City is located in the northern part of Cebu. During Spanish time, isa po itong asyenda ang Danau City. Pero pinastop dahil sa mga abuso. And now, Danau City is one of the fast-growing city in the province of Cebu. At may metro, guys, din sa kabila. So itong mall na ito, guys, ay Sands. Nasa gilid lang ng highway to, guys.
Such precious time in this life. Well, everybody knows that it is better together. My heart is full with the love and we show. Could live forever. Today was a good day. Feeling like how it is supposed to be. Living life, hanging on a sunny ray. With you by my side, everybody knows we are better together.
So punta tayo sa kabila, guys. May perya doon. Ang ganda dito, guys. Nakaka-relax.
I love Cebu.
At kung magugutom sa paglilibot, maraming mga restaurants po dito. Tumitingin lang kami ng mga menus, guys, ha. Hindi kami kumakain. Na-curious lang ba? Busog na kasi kami, guys. Kumain kami ng McDo. So ito yung simbahan ng Danau City, guys. Santo Tomas de Villanueva. They celebrate their fiesta every September. So magsindi lang tayo ng candle, guys, kasi may mas maraming tao sa loob.
Kita lang atong Ginoo, for Jesus, true greatness lies in serving others. Wala atong pagtuo, atong ipakita diha sa ato ang pagkamatinabangon. Na ang atong baon, kasi nang nagbayad. Nagitang mama, di ay. Kay katuloy yan kay inutang dito. Mga nagpigsuon ba, makahalat ng makautang. Ina, happy fiesta. Ito, tapos ito, happy fiesta. No? O niya, bawas po muna sa wala. Kung hita po na wala, pangutan na, kung sa imong hikay ron. Ha? Naghikay ba ka? Pasinong? What I have forgiven, I have forgiven. Thoughts and emotions, they are like acid in our body. They will eat us away. Mao ba yan ang hinungdan sa daghan na kayong mga sakit?
At ito yung park nila dito guys, katabi lang ng church. So pauwi na pala kami nito guys. Dito lang kami dadaan kasi mas malapit yung terminal ng bus dito. Don't forget to subscribe guys and click the bell button para naman ma-update kayo sa mga bago kong uploads. Thank you for watching. God bless you everyone. Please don't forget to leave a comment, like, and share this video. Bye-bye. Love much.